Hello, this is Siddhant Rishi Prabhakar, your digital RCRT facilitator. First and foremost, before we get into the details of things, I'd like to welcome you all to the Digital Rapid Comprehension and Review Technique program, that is, Digital RCRT. I hope that you all are keeping well and are safe at home. Before we begin and dive deep to understand what RCRT is, let's see how the education sector got affected by the recent pandemic. Since mid March, all schools have been shut. They've been trying to migrate classes online. However, this privilege is not accessible to everyone. A student's growth is highly concerning to us. These years are very vital for a student's development of an academic rigor. Students must not miss out on valuable time and must be engaged in the best possible ways. At Digital RCRT, we wish to teach students the most important academic skill that they can acquire in their lifetime. These skills give student an extra edge over academics, makes learning versatile and effortless. The RCRT, that is, the Rapid Comprehension and Review Technique, enables students to complete one subject of their syllabus in 8 to 10 days. Yes, in just 8 to 10 days. The technique is an effortless, super fast self-learning technique. We use a combination of learning processes that allow students to learn huge portions of academic information in a short span of time. Amazing enough, this course is optimized for students of 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th and 10th grades. This technique was originally developed by my father, Guruji Sri Rishi Prabhakar. It's important for me to acknowledge him for this amazing technique. Guruji, an Indian philosophizer and spiritualist, was a teacher of consciousness, meditation and leadership in the world. He was born in Karnataka, India. Moving to Bangalore, he graduated as an engineer from the Bangalore University, after which he moved to Canada to pursue his master's in aeronautical engineering from Carleton University. This followed by a master's in business administration from the University of Western Ontario. Upon establishing a successful career in Ottawa, Guruji developed inclination towards Maharishi Mahesh Yogi's transcendental meditation. Soon after, he began his spiritual training at Switzerland under Mahesh Yogi. In the late 1970s and early 1980s, Guruji moved back to Bangalore and undertook the life of a rishi. Simultaneously, Guruji developed the Siddha Samadhi Yoga program, SSY, to promote values of responsibility, joyfulness, leadership, humanism, and other hard-earned values. He later founded his organization, Rishi Samskruti Vidya Kendra, a not-for-profit to be one of the many carriers of his mission. All projects undertaken by Guruji were for the welfare of mankind, to bring his vision to reality. Guruji's wisdom has unfolded itself over the years with his constant contemplation on the present state of the world and his inward journey towards silence. He loved simplicity and appreciated the power of truth and non-violence. As a scientist himself, he presented the science of spirituality in verifiable and experiential terms. My father, Guruji, left his physical body in February 2014. Yet, his spirit stays alive through my family and his disciples. The RCRT program was curated by Guruji in the early 2000s. While interacting with students at his school, he realized that they were burdened with academic stress. This restrained these students from participating in other co-curricular activities. Let us hear from my father, Guruji, directly.
How long it took for you to finish all your subjects?
25
Huh?
It took 25 days.
25 days. Okay, what you have finished in 25 days, Victor? What did you accomplish in 25 days? Huh?
Within 25 days, we have finished social 3 subjects, geography, history and civics, science 3 subjects, physics, chemistry and biology, maths, full 3 subjects, geometry, mathematics and algebra.
Who will demonstrate biology? Okay, biology. Biology professor, raise your hand. Oh, okay, you please come. Okay, very nice. Now he will continue with his chapter.
Weeds. Weeds means the plants which grow along with the crops. They use all the oxygen and other things needed for a plant. So it is very dangerous to grow a plant. So to protect from these weeds is known as weeding. And fertilizers and chemicals added to protect from weeds is known as weedicides. And through this way we can protect from weeds. And next is irrigation. In irrigation there are traditional methods and modern methods. Main source of irrigation are all tube wells, wells, lakes, all sources of water. And next, irrigation means it is to put the water to the mature crop. And next, traditional irrigation. In this traditional irrigation, there is it is less efficient and there is low technology. And we cannot get more, only it is less production. And next is, in that traditional irrigation, there are Ratat, Dekli and Uti, etc. And in this modern irrigation, there are 2 types. There are drip and sprinkler irrigation. It is unevenly used nowadays in many places. Sprinkler irrigation. In this sprinkler irrigation, the water nodulates to the crop directly. And in drip irrigation, it is
Okay, stop. Leave that. You say no, what he has done.
Yeah, what he's telling is 100% correct. He didn't leave a single point else.
Now, how big is that book, Bappa? How big? How many pages? Huh? 70 pages biology. Okay. How long it took you to master? 1.5 days. 78 pages of biology. 78 pages of biology, 1.5 days. He will tell you from one end to the other end. Okay? What do you think? Any of you can read 78 pages in 1.5 days? At this age also you cannot do. Okay. I am sure that madam also cannot do it. Okay. So who is better off? Children or adults? Okay. This is available only in children. These are the children who are going to be the super Einstein, not Einstein, super Einstein. Einstein will be nothing. Okay. Because they have been trained in a very, very different way. Okay. In 1.5 days, 78 pages of totally fresh material at their fingertips. Okay. Maths professor. Oh, okay. Maths. You please come. Okay, very nice.
I am K. Siddhappa, working as a professor in mathematics at National College, Bagipalli.
My name is Mukunda. I am studying in 10th standard. From 6 years I am staying here.
Start from the beginning and tell the whole thing. Okay. Choose one subject.
Okay. Can you give introduction towards trigonometry?
Please keep the textbook open. He will do it for you. Okay. Chalo.
Has told introduction to trigonometry. Introduction to trigonometry. Trigono means 3 sides, measuring 3 sides, like mountains. Like if you want a distance between some towers, so we have to find the distance, like sun, moon, different objects, we have to find the distances. So there are first the basic identities, means not identities, ratios. Sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, secant theta and cotangent theta. Cos theta, if we take a triangle which has the hypotenuse, that is right angle triangle, which has hypotenuse and opposite side and adjacent side. Sin theta is opposite side by hypotenuse. Next, cos theta is adjacent side by hypotenuse, and tan theta is opposite side by adjacent side. Next is cosec. It is cosec theta is 1 by sin theta. Next, secant theta is 1 by cos theta, and cot theta is 1 by tan theta. So therefore, these are the ratios which forms the main trigonometric ratios which are used in the daily basic life, in the mostly in the engineering and all the finding the distances between all the objects from near or far. Next is the identities. Identities are cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. If you take complementary angles, therefore sin of 90 minus theta gives cos theta. Next, cot of 90 minus theta gives tan theta. Cosec of 90 minus theta gives secant theta. And there are different like this. These are the examples which can use for the solving the problems and finding the distances. So therefore tan theta, cos theta, these are the identities which can be used.
Okay, stop. Feedback. Feedback from professor.
What he told, it is correct. You narrate all the identities, 6 identities.
Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Next, tan square theta minus secant square
Plus
theta.
tan square theta is equal to 1.
1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. And cot square theta plus 1 is equal to cosecant square theta.
That is correct. Okay. Okay, what all he has told, it is correct.
So, not only biology, not only chemistry, not only physics, mathematics also, patafat. Okay. So, this is not just memorization, this is full mastery of the subject. Okay. This is 100% mastery. This is not just 100% memorization. Okay. 100% memory plus 100% mastery. Jai Gurudev. Now we can save billions and billions and billions of rupees in the world if we start setting up proper educational foundation. Okay? All our children can excel 100 times better than what we have done at no cost. And extraordinary things are possible in the world. It's a matter of 100% methodology. Okay? This is possible only when the child has mastered 7th standard 100%, then the textbooks are enough for him to pass the 8th standard. Okay? I am very grateful to all the people who have done these wonderful textbooks. Okay? They have done a lot of work in developing these textbooks, and we should do namaskar to these textbooks. They are enough to take us further and further. Okay? So that Saraswati must be respected. Most of us throw our textbooks everywhere, and we have thrown our knowledge also along with it. All our children will preserve this Saraswati for the rest of their life in their own being. Okay? Not, they are all walking around Saraswatis now. Okay? Now, this is a new phase of education. Okay? This is possible only with 100%. Okay? Not with 99%, not with 98%. Now, we have taken a big jump in this direction, and this is all possible because we have focused 100% on these children. Okay? Everybody can do this. It is no miracle. Okay? And you and me, we have missed the chance. In our next Janma, if you are born and you happen to come to Rishi Gurukulam, you will get it. Okay? But this Janma, it is off. These are the very fortunate children to have started a new stream of education. And very great things are going to happen from now on in the world. This is an outstanding new quantum leap for mankind. Now we have come to this fantastic platform. Undeniably, the greatest educational programs are going on in the world today in Rishi Gurukulam in Bangalore. Okay.
RCRT is an effortless learning technique. Our aim through RCRT is to make students capable of learning their syllabus on their own. Our vision at RCRT is to enable students to take up their talents and other interests without having to compromise on their academics. Through RCRT, a student remembers what they have learned for a lifetime, thus making academics as effortless as reading a novel, playing a guitar, or pursuing any other hobby for that matter. Let me explain to you in brief the science behind our technique. The rapid comprehension and review technique combines various scientifically backed processes. These processes can be explained through the mnemonic link system. The mnemonic link system is defined as a method of remembering information based on creating associations between them. Let me give you a short example. Try to remember the following words: vegetable, instrument, college, carrot, nail, fence, basin, merchant, scale, and goat. Can you repeat these words again in the exact same sequence? You do realize the amount of work that it takes to remember all of these individual words, don't you? Now, let's rephrase these words by creating a chain or a link between them. A vegetable can be a useful instrument for a college student. A carrot can be a nail for your basin or fence. But a merchant would scale that fence and feed the carrot to a goat. Didn't putting these words into a storyline help making memorization easier? Now, when you think of these either words, you'd be able to link them together and easily remember the whole story. Just like this, we teach students how to link various academic concepts to each other easily through our unique summarization technique. Our system also encompasses the method of loci, where we create a visual reminder for the subject content, meaning a visual stimulator to help students recall whatever they link through the mnemonic link system. This is how we are creating memories. And this is how students are able to comprehend their subject matters so quickly. Now let us explore how these mnemonically formed memories are kept in the brain for such a long time, and how we are able to make claims like "you'll not forget what you learn" or 100% memory. Basically, memories are a collection of interconnected neurons, also called engrams. There are a set of chemical reactions which help in memory recall. Memories get stronger with the number of times we recall them. Memories are interlinked. When an element of a memory is remembered, other related elements are also remembered or triggered. Does this happen to you that you're thinking about something and you end up at something else? Hence, neurons that fire together wire together. The more one recalls a particular memory, the stronger and more permanent are those neurons in our brains. Thus, repetitive exposure prevents memory decay or forgetting. Techniques at the RCRT program help create these collection of neurons, and repeated exposure of academic information through our memorization techniques. These techniques make the links stronger. We also use memory reactivation to make these links stronger day by day. Not just this, but as a part of the digital RCRT program, we are offering students a special holistic development course called Wise Walk. This course is specifically designed and developed to make students aware of the nuances of life and give them new life skills required for leadership. For the digital RCRT program, all that you will be needing is basic stationery, an academic text or textbook, a printer or printing services, A4 and A3 sheets, and a blank A4 notebook. Make sure that you possess all of these items when you start. This course is spread over 10 days with short sessions every day. Join the digital RCRT program for a life-changing experience for both the students and the parents. The students who will learn this amazing technique and flourish academically, and for the parents who will also learn from the process. Give the student an opportunity to grow their talents and interests. Give them the gift of a new life of easy and effortless learning. I hope to see you all in the next session. Sign up for Digital RCRT. Bye.